ask no questions, and in return, I offer you these to take to the king.
Dragon teeth? I've never been one to look a gift cock in the beak, though this might not be enough proof to collect the reward.
Tell the king if he's not satisfied, he can expect the body of a dragon dropped upon his royal wedding, free of charge.
He caught me. He's going to come back there. I have to hurry.
June, if you just stayed in Brooklyn, Syria, we would be safer.
How could I have known?
You agreed to it. If I stay with you any longer, I'll be dead too. And you say you're so special. What you really mean is that you're just like Heladay. You bring terror and you bring death wherever you are.
Doing the best that I can. I'm done apologizing. I'm done with all of this. I have to move on.
You're right, princess. Find a new family. Because I can't be up to you anymore.
This is my final first. Child. This treasure, this legacy, must endure. There is no other reason to live. Thank you for protecting me. And thank you, Yennefer, for everything. And see what I get out to you.
Does that mean